Hi guys, welcome back to the Music School. My name is Abhijith Hegde, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your very own uplifters and downlifters using Ableton's analog device. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our instruments section, and I'm going to add the analog device. And the next thing, I'm going to turn off the oscillator 1 and 2, and I'm going to turn on my noise generator. To add more character to the noise, I'm going to add some reverb and delay. You can add any reverb and delay, doesn't really matter. And I'm going to just input some MIDI notes. Let me just change the length to 4 bars. And to create an uplift and a downlift white noise, we're going to automate the color parameter here. So if I just arrange this loop, and I'm going to automate this. Right click on the parameter, select show automation, and let's do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more information regarding the courses that we have to offer, make sure you visit our website. I'll see you guys until next time. Bye.